What is 4.8 inches long, begins with W, and is guaranteed to invigorate a frigid hamster?
Phil Wang.
Phil Wang. I mean, we're off and running.
The experiments have proved very successful.
What were you going to say, Phil?
A warm hamster, perhaps?
A heated up one.
Yeah, mine
Yes.
just gently microwaved.
Can I just say that out of nowhere, that is exactly the right answer.
Oh!
Into you because 4.8 inches is too big for a hamster. Is this a monster hamster?
OK, so I didn't necessarily say that the hamster was 4.8 inches, did I? I said, what is 4.8 inches long, begins with a W, and is guaranteed to invigorate a frigid hamster.
Wheel.
No, it was microwave. You got the right answer, and now I'm having to tell you what it was.
Well, microwave doesn't start with W.
Well, it is the waves that start with W.
Oh, it's going to be a long night, isn't it?
It's not its theme, it's waves. The very first domestic-sized microwave oven was invented to bring half-dead hamsters back to life.
Oh.